Hello guys, hope you're doing good. Today in this video we are going to create a guest account or a family user account without any email address. So let's get started. So here in the search bar, type add space user. So once you type add space user, you will find the best match, add, edit, or remove other users. So once you click on that, a new window will appear like this. So here we need to click on add someone else to this PC. So once you click on that, because if you select that add a family member, it will ask for a Microsoft account. And if we select this add someone else, we can create a user account without email address. So you can do that if you have an email address, or if you don't, just select this add someone else to this PC. And here we just need to select I don't have this person sign in information, and here add a user without a Microsoft account. This is the option we need to select, and once you do that, it will ask you who is going to use this PC. So here you can type any name which you want to, and once you type it, add the password, and it will ask you to enter the security question. So once you enter the 3 security question, you will find a new account has been created. So once you click on that, from here you can change the account type. So if you want the user account to have standard rights, standard user, you can do that. And if you want to make it administrator, so I'll create an administrator account and I'll click on OK. So the moment I do it, I can just simply close it, and I'll go here, and here the profile icon, you just have to click on it, and I find the Rachel.